Know that Mr. Naveen Patnaik has been behind all this development that's been taking place around, and most people have acknowledged it. Some of his political opponents say it's all rubbish, but then that's a game of politics. But the man who's emerged from behind the scenes and who's making things happen, as it were, is Mr. Pandian. A lot of people love him, a lot of people hate him.
That's true.
But he's now well and truly into a new turf, politics.
Absolutely.
Now, how do you see him progress from here?
Look, if I look into this, whether he will be a successive of Naveen Patnaik or successful in political top, I'll take you back to the background. He's a man who believes in work. He has been proven an administrator of work and performer, believer. So that's his character. He deals with business, that interest of the people. He has been pushing this agenda for a couple of years. You've seen the dramatic change over the years in IT sector, road infrastructure, many more because of his intent into politics. He knew, and also you get into know that knows his limits. He cannot be Naveen Patnaik. By sitting at echo chamber, he can grab vote by holding hands, but he is not B.K. Pandey. B.K. Pandey believes not on emotion, on development agenda. That's his trump card. If BJD wins here because of political agenda and development agenda, although Naveen matters at the end of the day, but that's the agenda for development. That will be the face of Pandian. Pandian knows very well it. So Pandian is synonymous to development agenda of Odisha. So if BJD wins in the ensuing election, so he has a great future. And he will be omnipresent once again in the political top of Odisha, even in national politics. That's why he knew it very literally. He knows it. I have to deal with development agenda, and if he has lurched him into the Indian politics or national politics, also again that those synonymous of work and development. That's it.